Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by enabling switch control and assigning at least one switch. This gives you the physical trigger you'll automate. Next, create a recipe that maps that switch to a tap or custom gesture so the system knows what action to repeat. Once done, set scanning to auto scanning and pick a comfortable auto scan time, around 0.5 to 2.0 seconds, so actions register reliably. Make sure other accessibility shortcuts are off to avoid conflicts before continuing. Now you'll record and assign the exact click pattern you need. Open recipes, record a custom gesture capturing single or repeated taps, then save it. After that, assign your physical switch to perform recipe so pressing the switch triggers the recorded clicks. Make sure auto-scanning target action is set to select item so the recipe executes automatically. Finally, fine-tune hold duration, delay after tap, and repeat counts to match the app's responsiveness, and avoid missed. Finish by testing your setup thoroughly in the app you want to automate, because timing is everything. Observe whether taps register, and then iteratively adjust auto scan time or delay after tap. If clicks misfire, simplify the gesture or increase delay slightly to prevent overlaps. Once stable, enable guided access to lock the device to the app and block accidental swipes. If things still fail, reboot the device and re-record the gesture. This resolves many timing and calibration glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.